Next problem, numericals from the solid state is, you can see here, what is the numerical? Next numerical, a compound is formed by two elements A and B. The atoms of element B form CCP. Structure, the atoms of A occupy 1/3 of tetrahedral words. What is the formula of the compound? What is the formula? You can see here, you have given a compound. Compound is formed by two elements such as A and B, and the atoms of element B form CCP. So B elements are, it can form CCP structure. The atoms of A occupy 1/3 of tetrahedral words. Two types of elements there, A and B. B forms CCP, and among these, the atoms of A occupy 1/3 of tetrahedral words. What is the formula of the compound? The atoms of element B form CCP structure. The number of tetrahedral words generated is twice the number of B atom. The number of tetrahedral words is 2B. You can simply see here, in the numerical you have given the atoms of element B forms CCP structure. The atoms of A occupy 1/3 of tetrahedral words. That means A atom can occupy 1/3 of tetrahedral words. The atoms of element forms B atoms form CCP structure. The number of tetrahedral words generated is twice the number of B atoms. Already in theory part, we already discussed. B atom CCP structure can form, but the number of tetrahedral words generated is twice. Total number of tetrahedral words are twice. That means the number of tetrahedral words are 2B. In theory part, we already discussed. The atoms A occupy 1/3 of these tetrahedral words. You know that the total number of tetrahedral words are 2B. Okay, but among these, the atoms A occupy 1/3 of these tetrahedral words. 2B tetrahedral word total is equal to 2B, but among these, the 1/3 part occupied by the A atoms. Okay, hence the number of A atoms is equal to what? Number of A atoms is equal to 2B into 1/3. Ratio of A and B atoms is equal to 2/3. Ratio of A and B is equal to 2/3B as to 1B. This is the simple ratio of A and B atoms. 2/3B as to 1B. Then you can got here 2/3 as to 1. That means 2 as to 3. Okay. So that's why formula of the compound is A2B3. I again explain what is your numerical. The compound is formed by two elements A and B. The atoms of element B form CCP structure. The atoms of A occupy 1/3 of tetrahedral words. What is the formula of the compound? What is the solution? You know that atoms of element B form CCP structure. The number of tetrahedral words generated is twice the number of B atoms. The number of tetrahedral words is equal to 2B. Then the atoms A occupy 1/3 of these tetrahedral words. Hence number of A atoms is equal to 2B into 1/3. Ratio of A and B atoms is equal to 2/3B as to 1. So 2/3 as to 1, that means 2/3. The formula is A2B3. Then next numerical is niobium forms BCC structure. The density of niobium is 8.555 gram per centimeter cube, and length of the unit cell H is 30.6 picometer. How many atoms atoms and unit cell are present in 0.5 gram of niobium. I again repeat the numerical. You can read the niobium forms a basis structure. You have given the density. The density of niobium is 8.55 gram per centimeter cube, and you have given the edge length here 330.6 picometer. How many atoms and unit cell are present in 0.5 gram of niobium? You have given the mass of niobium. In 0.5 gram of niobium contains how many atoms present? Okay. The first of all, the number of atoms, you have formula. I already discussed in theory part. The number of atoms in x gram of niobium is equal to what formula? Xn upon rho into a cube, where x is the number of atoms in a gram of niobium, n is the number of atoms, rho is the density, a is the edge length. You have given the value in the numerical. You have given x, that means you have given the gram of niobium is 0.5, basis structure, that's why number of atoms is 2. Then density you have given 8.55 gram per centimeter cube. Then edge length is 330.6 picometer. You can convert into centimeter. So what will you get here? 3.1 picometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 12 meter, and you can convert meter into centimeter. So what will you get here? 3.306 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. Okay. Then you want to calculate the number of atoms in 0.5 gram of niobium. You can put all the values in this formula. Okay, x is 0.5, n is the 2, density is 8.55, edge length is 3.306 into 10 raised to minus 8. You can put all the values in this formula and you can simplify it. What will you get here? 3.25 into 10 raised to 21. You got here number of atoms in 0.5 gram of niobium. Okay, you have got here number of atoms in 0.5 gram of niobium. It value come here 3.25 into 10 raised to 21. Then number of unit cell in x gram. You want to calculate the number of unit cell in x gram. What is the formula? Is equal to x upon rho to a cube. The number of unit cell in 0.5 gram of niobium is equal to 0.5. Total number of atoms is 2. Total number of atoms is 2. Rho density you already given 8.55 gram per centimeter cube. Edge length already given 3.306 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter cube per cube. And you can simplify it 1.62 into 10 raised to 21. That means number of unit cell in x gram, that means 0.5 gram is equal to 1.62 into 10 raised to 21.